Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I'm Tyler. Today we're checking out this digital anemometer. This thing's really cool. Go ahead and power it on right there. I've got a little bit of wind here in the garage from my fans that I got on because it's hot out here. But yeah, this thing, easy to use, has a little light function down here, so the backlit type thing. So if you're in the dark, whatever, you can push it. And then if you want to turn it off, just the same thing, hold it down. Also has temperature on here as well as the relative humidity, so I can get those. If you push this button down, it's going to give you a max reading, which is really nice. In case you can't always keep your eye on this or whatever. I do like product reviews and it's absolutely fantastic, so I can like show people, how fast things are actually going. But in like an industrial type thing, a professional situation, it's going to be very useful as well. You can have the minimum also recorded, and then there is an average, and then in order to get out of this, you just hold it back down and you're going to go into your live readings. Another button right here, you can change between Celsius and Fahrenheit, and then the units you can also switch on here, which right now we have it miles per hour, but it also has feet per minute, feet per second, meters per second, kilometers per hour, and then this is right down here. Can barely read it. Got to move it a little bit. Oh, that one right there says knots. I'm back behind the camera a little bit. But yeah, overall, this thing is really cool. Works really well. Let me go ahead and get my little wind generator out here really quick, and I will show it, some numbers on here for you. So right there you go. You saw how it picked up that wind. So works really, really well. So if you're in need of something like this, once again, this is a digital anemometer. It's from these guys right here. TopTes, I believe is how you pronounce that. Go ahead and check it